Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, we want to continue from where we ended. We did a recap on the major scale and the minor scale. So today we want to do a very simple one, and let me see if I can come back. Yeah. So we want to do a very simple tutorial, and if you've taken note of my beginner tutorial series, right after the major scale and the minor scale, I gave a simple solo tutorial on God is Good by Jonathan McReynolds. So if you have time, you can go over this video. um if you have time, you can go back over this video, but from I'll be looking at the lyrics, and we'll just try and do it together. So I'll just take you through briefly. So you just have to remember your major scale. So we are playing in C, and you know how C works. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if you want to move through the A minor scale, sorry about the position of the mic, but we want to go straight into the tutorial. So may your struggle. So when you sing that part, so listen, you realize that the first note is the 3 me. May your struggles. So me so la so keep you near the cross. Fa mi re do re. So from the top, may your struggles keep you near the cross. If you are wondering why we are learning this, you need to train your brain muscle. As most musicians say, that if you train your brain muscle, you don't need to memorize do re mi fa sol la ti do. You don't have to memorize them for each and every song. You'll be able to predict where the next sound that you're expecting is located. Sometimes you might not get it correctly, but when it happens, you just have to slide and hammer. So your struggles keep you near the cross. May your troubles show that you need God. You realize that this one doesn't sound like the first one. Keep you near the cross. Ends on the re, and the show that you need God. Fa mi re mi fa. Then may your battles end the way they should. So you realize that you stay at the me. And the way they should. Fa mi re do. And may your whole life prove that God is good. So do re do fa do mi. You realize that part we have a lower tones. May your whole life. So it's lower than the previous note. So we have to go up. So mi do la So let's do it from the top quickly. May your struggles keep you near the cross. May your troubles show that you need God, and may your battles end the way they should. And may your whole life prove that God is good again. May your whole life. Yeah, thank you. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, let me know. Give a like to this video, and if you want more tutorials on a particular song, I think right after the beginner tutorials for the minor and the major scale, I did only for God is good. If you have a specific song that you want to use for your practice, just let me know, then I'll make a video for that one. Thank you, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. This is the right place to be. See you next time. See you next time. Hit the notification bell icon so that you be the first person to see my videos. And thank you very much once again. And may your whole life prove that